The RØDECASTER video has 4 HDMI inputs.
No, it has 6 HDMI inputs.
No, it has 4
No,
HDMI inputs.
6.
No, 4.
6.
4.
6.
4.
Okay.
Okay, let's find it out. Hey and welcome back to my channel. The RØDECASTER video by Rode, or simply the RØDECASTER video, is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to video podcasting, live streaming and live events. It has indeed 4 physical HDMI inputs and at the same time also 2 USB-C inputs to connect webcams. But there is a little caveat because it accepts only uncompressed Full HD material, which is not delivered by each and every webcam around there. So there are chances that your webcam might not work on it. I was being recently asked to film and stream a concert, and for this concert we needed to have 3 cameras plus 1 additional HDMI input because we needed to also stream a PowerPoint presentation which was shown during the concert on stage. That means all the 4 HDMI inputs are used already. Now, yesterday I got a call from the client and the client said, "Oh, we are going to have a sign language translator on stage as well. Can we integrate this person eventually on picture-in-picture?" And I said, "Oh, for this actually I would need to have an additional camera. That would mean I would need to have a 5th HDMI port, which I don't have on the RØDECASTER video." So I had an interesting idea because I still remember that I have this Elgato Cam Link, which is quite old, well, a couple of years old, so not so old. It's a capture card of USB. And I was asking myself, as this thing here acts as a webcam, I was asking myself if this could be eventually the solution for my problems. If I could connect this Elgato Cam Link 4K to my RØDECASTER video and just simply, well, yeah, just simply have an additional HDMI input. So let's give it a try if it works. So I took out my camcorder, which is a 4K camcorder, works super well for this purpose, filming someone on stage for a long duration, has a good zoom in, 4K resolution, which is largely enough for picture-in-picture for sure. So I connect this one here over HDMI, and now comes the big moment because I'm connecting now the HDMI output to the Cam Link, and then let's see what will happen. And yes, it works. You can see that now I can switch here between my different camera signals. So I have the 5th camera signal, which is recognized. That means without any problems, I can integrate additional HDMI cameras into my setup. And if I would invest into a second Elgato Cam Link 4K, which is not even $100, so it's quite cheap actually, I would have 6 fully flashed HDMI inputs here on my RØDECASTER video, which makes it really outstanding because having 6 inputs that I can mix with all the other features that the RØDECASTER video has, wow, that time now is it here around. What I cannot, of course, do is I cannot test it now with all the different capture cards which are on the market, but my best guess is that it should work actually with quite a lot of these capture cards. So it would be interesting if you have made any experience with your capture card and the RØDECASTER video, if you see that it works or it doesn't work. So just simply put it in the comment section. Would be very happy to discuss. Also, if you have other ideas or thoughts about the RØDECASTER video, which is a great device, then please also put it as well in the comment section. That's it for today. I hope you liked it, and of course, as you know, if you liked it, don't forget to share, to follow, to subscribe, hit the alert button, or whatever you might want to do with the video. Everything helps. Thank you very much, and now I know that you can do it.